In this video, we will show you how to change language in Microsoft Word. To change language in Microsoft Word, it's very easy. First, let's open our Microsoft Word here and open the blank document. In here, to change the interface of Microsoft Word language, you can see, you can just select files and choose options. After that, you can choose language, and in here, for example, you can add the language and click continue here. Updates were installed, then we can click close, then reopen our Microsoft Word. Select blank document again and choose files and select options and choose language. Then we can click add language. After that, you can choose the language that you want to add. For example, I want to add Malay here and click install. Just click OK. Now downloading the Microsoft 365. In here, the Word is updating. Just wait until this done. After the update is completed, let's try to open our Microsoft Word. Okay, update were installed. Then we can retry to reopen our Microsoft Word and select options and select language again. And this is the Malay. Just click set as prefer. Let's see this is works or not. Just click OK. Now we need to restart our Microsoft Word. You can see there. Now the language has been changed in Microsoft Word. How to change language for the content? Okay, I will open first and select the English. Okay, so you can see there. Okay, I will close and restart my Microsoft Word. If the content, you can see in the review, you can see the language. You can block all of your text and select language preference if you want. This is for the content. Okay, also if you want to change specific for spell and checker, you can select and set proofing language. Okay, you can select another here. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to change language in Microsoft Word, and hope this video helpful for you.